What's going on, guys? Today I'm building a box to fit in the back of my pickup truck to mount the hose reels to, and I just want to walk you through the process. I just came up with this on the top of my head. I'm borrowing a truck right now. It's not even my truck until I get my own, so I don't want to install any permanent fixtures on the truck, so I'm going to build a box that I can put in the truck and take off the truck if I need to. So I haven't used hose reels since I started this business, so I got a couple off of Facebook Marketplace, some Cox reels, and then I got a hose reel that was originally an air hose reel, and I'm gonna mount all three of them, or possibly just two of them right now and the third one later. One for the pressure hose, one for the soft wash hose, and one for the water hose. So I'm gonna show you along this process. I got all my tools ready. I got my Makita impact, and I'm just making the box right now, so I'll walk you through the process of what I'm doing. So right now I'm using 3-inch wood screws with a T25 bit right here. This is some OSB right here, and these are 2x4s, so it's very basic. All I'm using is 2x4s and the plywood right here, the OSB. So yeah, I got my saw, I got my square, I got screws, I got a tape measure, and it's going to be a very basic build. All right, so we got that side. Now we got to cut another board to go across here. So mark this out, 4 foot. Use the square to get a straight line. All right, we got that side. Obviously I don't have a garage, so kind of sucks, but you gotta do what you gotta do. All right, now we're gonna put boards here, here, and in the middle. All right, guys, so my camera died a minute ago, so I didn't realize it wasn't recording. But I got the back side closed off, got it good bracing. I'm just gonna leave this side open because I can use it as storage. It's gonna go right up against the tailgate so I can put things under here, like my pump or tools or anything under here. So I'm gonna get busy spray painting the rest of it black so it just looks a little sharper in the back of the truck. All right, so don't ask about the tent thing. We're just setting it up to pack it back up because it was all messed up. But anyway, these are the 3 hose reels I got. This was an air hose reel, but I'm gonna use it for my water line, like my my water source to connect directly to the pressure washer. I'm gonna use one for high pressure line, one for soft wash hose. So the table's complete. Now I just got to go get some nuts and bolts and some washers to secure these down here, and I can put it in the back of the truck and get everything hooked up. I got a whip line for the pressure, the high pressure reel. A whip line from here to the machine, and then I'll go ahead and mount everything to the truck, and I'll show you what it looks like probably in another video. But that's essentially it. I mean, these hose reels are kind of beat up and a little rusty, but that's okay because they function properly. So I'm not really worried about it. But I'm not even sure if 100 foot of water hose will fit on this, but I got it for free. It's like a spring hose reel. So you just pull it out, and it'll lock into place, and then when you're ready to reel it up, you just it'll reel itself back up pretty much. So we'll see how it works. Honestly, I don't know if it will, but we will see.